Hey guys, it's me, Gabby. What's up? I know that I haven't made a video in a very long time. So yeah. So today I'm gonna be showing you my Glam Glue collection. I got it from the package a few weeks ago, and I didn't want to show you guys the day that I got it because I was gonna make everything one day. As I show you guys. So yeah. So there's a bunch of different slimes here. Yeah, so yeah guys, there's a bunch of different slimes. First I have to tape something down because something actually broke from the thing. I really need to tape it down. Ugh. Well, it's a last bit of tape. So I'm gonna cap this up. It comes with a pink cap so it doesn't all mix up together. So that's convenient. I need to take this part out. Don't worry about that. Just keep on hitting her, all that stuff. Don't worry. So I don't know how to tape this down. I need to do something real fast. Well, it doesn't matter. It still works. So it comes in a pretty nice case. So it locks like this, and it opens the left side. So you have to turn it to the left side. So let me open it. So I'm gonna start by each. So I put some soap in it because hand soap because it can get more stretchier and it doesn't smell bad. So this is my confetti slime because I put every single glitter that I came with. So this is my cotton pink slime. This is very, it smells kind of like hand soap and the regular. And this slime is my favorite, but this is my second favorite. So yeah, I love this one, and this one is called Shimmer Lake. And I got this crunchy slime. I have 3 rolls of crunchy slime, 3 rows of regular slimes, clear, and another 3 row of regular slime, crunchy regular slime. So yeah, let's get to the next crunchy slime. This is the best I ever had. So yeah, these are the best. My favorite, number 1. Crunchy. This is the crunchy slime. And I call this one Crunchy Lake because it's so crunchy and it looks like a lake. And the lake part is because you know how lakes are like so watery and all that stuff. This feels like water. Yeah. Up on that. And the foam beads, I got it from from Walmart, but Walmart packaging, because you know the packaging from the Walmart, yeah. So it came with that, and here's my other shimmer lake, because I made 2 shimmer lakes, and this is my other crunchy. This is called crunchy Gabby, because it looks like my style, Gabby. So my name is Gabby, yeah. And this is sparkling cloud.
Buy it. Buy it. I got my new work.
So yeah, I love these slimes.
My new work. It is so thick.
So let me put this away. And thank you for watching, and smash the like button and hit the bell, notifications, subscribe, and the notifications go to Isabel Diaz. Thank you for watching, Isabel Diaz and Stephanie Nunez. Thank you for watching my videos, and you have subscribed, and thank you very much. Thanks guys for watching. See you later.